Hello, dear students. Today we will start the next part of our chapter Python, chapter number 7, that is script mode. Okay, we have done before this the interactive mode. We know the interactive mode enables you to execute a single line or block of the code. Okay, in this, when we execute, when we write any single line, then when we press enter, then it will give the output immediately after writing a single line. Okay, this is the functionality of interactive mode, but this may not be what you need all the time. Okay, in real life, if we want to develop some large program, then we have to store that program, we have to save that program, we have to edit, and after editing we have to perform some printing. Okay, for this we require the script mode. Okay, script mode is used if we want to save the program. Firstly, in script mode, firstly we type all the program, and then after that we have to save the program. When we save the program, then it run the whole program at a one time. Okay, now there are some features of Python. Ideally, it is a cross platform, means we can run these Python on any operating system like Windows, Linux and Mac operating system. And its color and marks all command, means it give the different colors to the input, output as well as the error message. Okay, it display the input, output, error message in different colors. Okay, that's why it is very helpful for the programmers, and it is a multi-window text editor with many more features. It has many features like undo, smart indent, means if we want to set the spacing of our page. Okay, search, replace and some other features are there. Okay, then next first one is, firstly we will learn how can we run the program in interactive mode. Okay, ideally interactive mode. For this, just click on the start button, then go to all program and then select your Python. Then ideally, then this type of ideally Python will appear. Okay, then after this prompt, command the program like this. Okay, like if you are typing 100 plus 67 and then press enter, it will give you the message 167 result. And if you are typing this one, it will give you the result minus, and it means it perform all the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And performing these arithmetical operations, it perform it follow the Bodmas rule, BODMAS rule, okay, of mathematics. Okay, with this you can perform all the mathematical arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, and next is the starting the ideally script mode. Okay, how can we start the script mode? For this, just click on the file menu. Okay, then go to the new file. After clicking on the file, then go to new file, then this dialog box will appear. Okay, then it has following components like title bar, menu bar, script area and status bar. Okay, this is the title bar. Okay, where we can write the name of our document or the content. And here we have maximize, minimize and close button also there in the title bar. And this is the menu bar where we can use various type of options like file, edit, shell, debug, options, help, window, all others. Okay, and this is area, text area, where we can type the code, is the script area. We can call this area as a script area where we can type the code. And this fourth one is the status bar. It tells us the status of our window. Okay, on the status of your cursor on the window. Okay, and next one is how can we write a simple program in script mode. For this, just open the script mode by clicking on the file and then go to the new file. Okay, then this script mode open, then type the code. For example, if they are typing like print, then under bracket and under double quotes they are typing I am learning programming language, then give another print command, Python is a programming language, give another print command, it is easy to learn Python. After giving this, then you have to save the file. Then how can you save the file? For saving, just click on the, just go to the file menu. Okay, then select the save option. Then from select the save as dialog box will appear. Then give the name of your file. Okay, then select the save as type Python files. Okay, you have to select the extension Python files. Okay, then click on the save button. With this your file is saved. Here are some shortcut keys that we can use in Python. If we want to open a new file, then we can use from the keyboard Control plus N. You have to remember, you have to learn these shortcuts. For opening a new file, we can use Control plus N. For saving a program, we can use Control plus S. For executing a program or running a program, we can use F5 from the keyboard. Okay, and to close a program, we can use Alt plus F4. And to execute the Python, we can use Control plus Q. Okay, these are the way for writing the shortcut keys. And next is see how this is the functionality of the print function. How can you print the print? For this you can have to write the print, then under this bracket, under inverted commas, write the language code which you want to display. For example, we want to display hello, welcome to Python programming. When we press enter, it will display our programming. Okay, then see, this is the way how can we uh, execute the program in interactive mode. Okay, now but we are here after saving the program. Then how can we execute the program in script mode? Then see, for executing the program in script mode, then click the F5 button. Okay, from the keyboard. If you can directly click the F5 button from keyboard, then it will execute your program. Or you can easily go select the run menu, then click on the run option, then it will execute your program. Like this it will execute. I am running all the 3 lines. Okay, next is how can we exit the ideally Python. For this, just click on the close on the top corner. Okay, and just, or second method is go to file, then select the exit option from the file. And next is keywords in Python. Keywords, now question arises, what are keywords? Keywords are the reserved word. Okay, that cannot be used as a variable. These are the reserved word, means we have to use as the same manner as they are. Like compiler or interpreter does not understand our language. अगर हम कुछ भी टाइप करेंगे जैसे is आई एम रोबोट कुछ भी टाइप करेंगे तो कंपाइलर और इंटरप्रेटर उस लैंग्वेज को नहीं समझ सकता. कंपाइलर एंड इंटरप्रेटर जस्ट ओनली अंडरस्टैंड द कीवर्ड्स. ओके, दीज आर सम कीवर्ड्स. और हमें इसे ऐसे ही, अगर हमने कुछ कीवर्ड टाइप करना है तो हमें सेम एज ऐसे ही उसे टाइप करना पड़ेगा. लाइक एंड, एज, ब्रेक, क्लास, कंटिन्यू, फॉल्स, ट्रू, फाइनली, एल्स, del, from, if, import. These are some of the keywords. Print, print is also the keyword. Okay, these are some of the keywords. Just remember, keywords are the reserved word. Okay, we cannot use as a variable name or any other function names. And next is a variable. What are the variables in Python? As a variables, if you want to store something for the future, okay, if you want to store something, then what will you need? For this you require some container or some box for storing that thing. Okay, if you want to store some fruits, for that you require some box. Okay, for storing that particular fruit. Okay, similarly, when you are working with the values in Python, then for storing that particular values in Python, you need some storage for storing the value, and so that we can use that value later. Okay, and then these memory location in which values are stored are known as the variable. Variables are just the memory location of the वैल्यूज. जो भी वैल्यू हमने स्टोर करनी है उसे मेमोरी प्रोवाइड करना किसका काम है? वेरिएबल का. Okay, it is a memory location for storing the values. Okay, you can store only one data a value at a one time in a variable. Okay, for example, see, a is equal to 5. Okay, this a is a variable, it is used for storing the 5 value. Okay, now 5 value is stored to this a variable. This is the variable, it provide the memory location. अगर हमने a variable लिख दिया then a को कुछ particular memory मिल जाएगी. Okay, then if we type any value like 5, then it 5 goes to the this particular variable. Okay, or when a new value is stored in a variable, the previous value get overwritten. अगर हमने कुछ और new value store की like फिर दोबारा लिखा a is equal to 4, then it override the 5. then अब a की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा, 4 आ जाएगा. 4 override the 5. Okay, value. This is variable. Now there are some rules for writing the variable name. You have to learn these rules, these are very important. First one is the variable name should start with the alphabet or a underscore. Okay, जो भी variable name होगा that always started with the alphabet like small or capital alphabet or as an underscore. Okay, and variable name can consist of digit, alphabet, underscore. It can contain digit, alphabet and contour, but variable name cannot start with the digit. Okay, it have to start with alphabet and underscore, and no other character is allowed. Space is also not allowed in variable name. If you are giving any variable name like a32, you don't have to give the space in variable name. Okay, and then variable name cannot start with the digit. Okay, you cannot start this variable with the digit. And special character, special character like underscore, dollar sign, percentage, you cannot allow to write special character and full stop in the variable name. And then else is a keyword in Python. Else is keyword, so it cannot be used as a variable name. As we have done, no keywords are used as a variable name. Okay, and some of the example variable names are like this. You can write like this: employee underscore code. This is our variable name. If you want to store the code of the employees, then you can give this variable name of this variable employee code. Okay, like min value, balance free. Now the C you can write like this: x45y. This is also variable name. If we write 4 in front of x, then it will not the variable. As we know, variable cannot start with the digit. Okay, you have to when you are selecting any variable, then you have to remember these rules. Okay, for writing the name of the variable. Is it clear? And next is data type. Now we know, for example, if you have to travel out of a town for a vacation, if you have to go out of station for a vacation, then for that you have to book tickets for your family members. Okay, and for this first step is you have to fill the reservation form. Okay, and for that you have to provide some information like number, date of journey, name, age, train number and so on. Okay, then every piece of information that you enter there is of specific type. Okay, like name is a string type, age is a numeric type in which we are giving some numeric values, date of journey is the date type, in this we are giving date. Okay, and in Python also you have to specify the type of the values. Okay, if you want to store any value, then you have to specify the type of the particular value. Okay, when you want to store the value in variable. Okay, now there are different types of data types are available in Python. Data type means type of data that we have to store in the variable. Okay, data store in a memory is of many type. Data type is of many type. Okay, for example, see, person address is stored as alphanumeric data. Marks of the student are stored as numeric value, and some of the basic data type are numeric type. This type of data is used to hold the numeric values. It contain integer and float. Okay, this numeric value contain two type of data. First one is integer. It is used for storing the integer like 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 100, 200, integer values. And floating means if you want to store the some decimal point like 24.5, 55.5, then you have to, if you want to store these type of values like 58.5, 78.5, then you have to take the data type float. Okay. And next is boolean. If you want to store the a value in form of true or false. Okay. Like true or false, 0 or 1. Okay. Then you have to give the data type boolean. Okay. 0 means false and 1 means true. And string, this data type is used if you want to store the character in the variable, like if you want to store your name. Okay. Like if we want to store hello, how are you, these are the characters, and then for that we have to use the data type string. Okay. And always remember, we can type character under single quote or double quotes. Okay. Like this, my name 215, these are, now this is a character because it is represented in single quotes 215. Okay. My is, hello, and so on. If we are typing simple 215, then it will become the integer. Okay. Next is assignment operator. This assignment operator means is equal to. Now what is the function of this is equal to? With the help of this assignment operator, is equal to operator, we can assign value to the variable. With the help of this we can assign value. For example, if I am writing a is equal to 23, then 23 values goes to this a variable with the help of this assignment operator. Okay. It assign the value 23 to the a variable. Okay. For example, see, x is equal to 20, then 20 is assigned to this x variable with the help of this assignment operator. 30 value is assigned to this variable y. Then now what is this? In this, firstly x plus y means 20 plus 30 is 50. Now 50 is stored to this x variable. Okay, with the help of this assignment operator. Then 50 जो भी result आए is stored to this x variable. Okay. Now Python is a case sensitive programming language. We know what is the meaning of case sensitive means. Uh, uh, in this it differentiate between capital and small letter. इसमें capital का, अगर आप किसी भी लेटर को कैपिटल से लिखोगे स्मॉल से लिखोगे, दोनों में क्या होगा, डिफरेंस होगा इन पाइथन में. ओके. इट इज केस सेंसिटिव. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आपने प्रिंट फंक्शन टाइप करना है, इफ यू टाइप दिस पी कैपिटल प्रिंट, देन इट विल गिव यू द एरर. ओके. प्रिंट इज नॉट द कीवर्ड. Capital P print is not the keyword in the Python. If you type this print print, these are two different things in Python. Okay. Then it will work as a print command. Okay. Print command. It will not work as a print command. It will just work as a character. Okay. This is the print. Now we have done how can we use print function. Next is using separator with print function. Means if you have giving some print function, then which separator you can use. For example, if you want to display these two values x and 10, okay, then for displaying two values under print function you can use this comma. Okay. If you want to print another value, then you have to use comma y, then again comma. If you want to print some character, okay, then put comma, then double quotes, then put character hello, then it will display all the values x, 10, y, then hello. Is it clear? Means you can print the number of values with by putting comma separator between them inside the print function. Is it clear? And next one is tab space, or we can write tab space with this under bracket. We have to write this tab space backslash then t. Okay. With this we can provide the space between the output. Okay. For example, see print, then if we have to type x is equal to, I am typing x is equal to, this is I am typing this as a character, x is equal to, then taking x, it will take the value x, that is 4. Okay. Then after putting comma, then I am typing double quotes, then I am typing backslash t, this is tab space, then y is equal to, then comma, inverted comma close. Okay. With this it will take value y is equal to, but before entering y is equal to, it provides some space with the help of this backslash t. Okay. Then give the value y, that is 2. Okay, it display the output like this. X is equal to 4. Okay, this X is equal to, it will display this as a character. Display similarly, राजेश जैसे ही आपने लिखा है डबल कोट्स के अंदर जो भी आप लिखोगे वो वैसे ही सिमिलरली डिस्प्ले कर देगा. आपने x इज इक्वल टू लिखा तो उसने सिमिलरली x इज इक्वल टू डिस्प्ले कर दिया. ओके, देन इसने x की वैल्यू उठा ली 4. देन दिस slash t, it will provide some space, then after that it will give y is equal to 2. Similarly y is equal to ऐसे उठा लिया, then y की वैल्यू उसने पिक की 2. Okay, this is a function of tab space. And next is new line character. It is used to starting a new line, or with this we can, for this we have to write backslash n. Okay, see, with this if you want to start the new type, for example if I have to write this value of x, this is character, then take value comma x, then I want to put value of y in new line like this, value of y. Okay, then before that just type backslash n value of y, then y. It will, with this backslash new, put your cursor to the new line like this. After that your cursor will be inserted to the new line. This is a functionality of new line character. Just class, this is your Python chapter. Thank you class.